Hello student. Today is learn to write numbers name 41 to 50. FORTYONE 41. FORTYTWO 42. FORTYTHREE 43. FORTYFOUR 44. FORTYFIVE 45. FORTYSIX 46. FORTYSEVEN 47. FORTYEIGHT 48. FORTYNINE 49. FIFTY 50. So guys, complete your work, learn and write in your notebook and send me my WhatsApp number.